changing the batteries in your Oculus Quest 3 controllers is a task even seasoned VR enthusiasts sometimes overlook. We've all been there. You're in the middle of slicing through some beats, and suddenly your controller dies. Nothing shouts immersion breaker louder than in this scenario. Then luckily swapping those batteries is a quick fix, taking you back to your virtual realm within minutes. First, grab your Oculus Quest 3 controllers and flip them over. If you're not just to the popular changes, it's more likely to be more additional slide and more changes and more variable. And these covers may seem daunting at first, but they're your gateway to juiced up controllers. A simple thumb push should slide the cover right off. If it's stubborn, don't panic yet. Gentle persistence usually wins over brute force. Inside, a single AA battery awaits you. Yes, just AA. Nothing flashy like rechargeable packs. This means you can stock up on these little powerhouses quite easily. Alkaline or rechargeable, both types get the job done. I prefer rechargeable, saves money on the planet. Plus, it saves you the hassle of suddenly realizing you're out of batteries. Genuine pain point alert, ever leave your batteries in too long and they corrode. Remember to check and change them periodically, even if you've been chilling in the real world more. Controller corrosion equals bed immersion and potentially a bigger repair bill or a whole new purchase. Pop out the old battery with a little upward pressure. Think of it as scooping ice cream, just without the yum. Once free, insert the new battery, ensuring the flat side aligns with the spring and the button side is snugly in its place. Easy peasy. Snap the battery cover back on. It should click smoothly, securing your ticket back to virtual reality paradise. Should you meet resistance here, realign the cover and try again. If that doesn't work, check for any obstructions or misalignments. Once closed, fire up your headset to test it. Feel that second best joy right behind purchasing new tech gadgets of working hardware and controller vibrates, check. Buttons and triggers responsive, double check. Battery icon, smiling in full bars, perfect. Now for the dual wielding Among Us sessions that last hours, always keep spare batteries on hand. A pro tip, label your batteries purchase dates so you know which might still be kicking. This small habit prevents unnecessary interruptions. For optimal enjoyment, consider investing in a battery charger. I guarantee it's cheaper than delivering pizza between portals. Plus, swapping out fresh batteries after a full charge gives you peace of mind that your session won't be cut short. Environmental angle, curb disposable battery waste by recycling dead ones properly. Many local electronics or hardware stores offer battery recycling. And in Portland, there are several drop-off points that make this easy. Do some good while you game. You're now a battery changing legend. And with this knowledge, you're saving time, money, and brain power for what truly matters. Be it slaying zombies or painting in 3D space, your Oculus Quest 3 is ready to support your adventures uninterrupted. Enjoy.